You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. You're pulling all my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping